guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing another unboxing, but today it's for a brand called Mariemur. Now I've never tried anything from them before, but they very kindly reached out to me and offered to send me some of their very fancy lingerie sets. So I've got 5 sets to show you guys today, and this is how it arrived. So it's in a gorgeous kind of red cardboard box. I didn't know how else to describe that, but it is magnetic. So I really like my packaging to be like reusable or just like something I can use in the future, and I think magnetic boxes, especially like this, they're so practical to fill with other things, so they're great. Now I have already had a look in here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to organize it into the sets, but I thought I would show you how it came first. So it's got tissue paper around, and then all the sets are in kind of one big dust bag. Now, I'm not against that because I don't want over packaging or anything like that, but just keep that in mind for the price of the sets. This is kind of how they come, because I guess they're kind of more handmade and it's just more minimal packaging, if you like. But I'm gonna now separate them out and we're gonna review the sets. Okay, so I've laid the 5 sets out next to me here, and oh, they are just gorgeous. So I really recommend them in terms of like their fabrics and just how they're made. These are really stunning pieces that I think they'll make you feel like $1 million. That's the only thing, is they are a little bit complicated, but once you figure it out, it's absolutely fine. So this is the bra. Now just look at this. So we've got it's like padded foam for the shoulders and under the bust. So you can see this gorgeous emerald velvet. So it just looks like this, and then, but it does have a bit more coverage than just this. Not a lot, but there is something there. So it's got these kind of little lace detailing to the cups. So let me just, the tag is a bit tangled. So you can either wear these like just straight, or what I like to do is I like to twist it so that I have the kind of crisscross of the straps underneath the clothes I'm wearing, because I just think it's nice to see a little bit of lingerie. These aren't really pieces that you can wear as tops. You guys know that I love wearing underwear as outerwear, but these ones are more, you know, they're a little bit more raunchy, but they have enough kind of accessories to them to show them off, just not as a top. So when I wear this one, I want to show off the green velvet, I want to show off the straps. I just have to do it in such a way that it's a little bit more practical, but I absolutely love this one. And I love the kind of how like the velvet is like under, so it still gives really nice support, but it's still just really saucy. It's so comfortable. Like this is padded velvet on the straps. It feels like clouds on my shoulders. Like I really recommend it for comfort as well. And then the adjustability of it, it's got adjustable straps. So you can see the nice gold detailing here, and obviously you can then adjust where you have it on the clasp there. But when you're ordering from them, just make sure you use their size guide just to ensure that it's going to fit, but they're very, very helpful. So if you need any guidance, you can talk to them about purchasing them. But also they do a lot of leather, like leatherwear and like leather harnesses. So if you're into that type of thing, everything will be linked down below if you'd like to check them out. They are stunning. Like the items they do, so, so gorgeous. Now these are the bottoms that match this bra, which are amazing. They are almost just as intricate as the bra, because I feel like everyone like focuses on the bra and the panties sometimes get left behind a little bit, but not with this brand. So they're high-waisted, so you can see they've got this kind of like eyelash lace all over the front with the velvet green as well. And then at the back, so they're kind of a Brazilian style, so they're a thong, but not, you know, just a thong. They've got like this kind of lace-up detailing. So you can see it there, and then they have these 2 straps above which are adjustable and removable. Now these go round your waist, so they're kind of like normal, and then they have these higher waist straps. They are too raunchy for me to wear on YouTube, but they are gorgeous, like so, so gorgeous. And just all the detailing they put on, like I love all the extra straps and the velvet. I'm in love with this set, so 10 out of 10 for that one. Now I did love that green one so much that I decided I have to get it in burgundy as well. They're literally my 2 favorite colors. All my outfits are like red or green, and so these 2 pieces of lingerie are just going to be perfect under everything. So this one isn't velvet though, this one is red satin. So we've got the same kind of style, so it's got the kind of under bust cups, but these ones aren't tall padded. So if you really like the padded aspect, I would go for the emerald green one, just because if you want that like really soft strap. But this one is still beautiful, and it's satin, so you basically don't feel it, but it's got this gorgeous like eyelash lace detailing all around the edging. and then it just comes around the front, and I love the little black bow. I think that's so gorgeous. Now the difference with this one that I love is the strap detailing in the center here is red. So when I wear it like twisted like that, and you can see it under my outfit, it's actually got the matching red color. And I do wish that the emerald green one actually had a green strap, just because I think that under like a green velvet dress or a green satin dress is just going to be gorgeous to show off. But I think this is just perfect, and I love, it's so intricate and just so delicate. Like, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It's just so simple. Well, it's not simple, it's so like minimal in terms of fabric, but it's just so beautiful and almost like elegant. Like, I just love it. So that's the bra, and I'm obsessed. Like, I love the thick straps. I think they're so gorgeous. And then the pants are the same style as the green ones, just in the satin. So they look like this. So they're the satin and the lace, and then they have all the straps that kind of come around your waist, which just like jazz it up quite a bit. But I think they're so gorgeous, and I love the detailing of this lace. It's literally like the eyelash lace, so it's so delicate, but just beautiful. Look at that. So really, really love that set as well. And then sticking with the red, because I think clearly it's my favorite color, I got this gorgeous, just bright red lace set. Now, this one is just stunning. Like, the actual lace is really, really unusual. It's beautiful and very adjustable. Only thing I would say is these kind of double straps on my hips. When you're a little bit soft around the edges like I am, it can just imprint a little bit. Like, it's not a bad look, but if I'm wearing this underneath like a tight dress or something like this, you just gotta be aware. But obviously these pieces of lingerie they're stunning pieces that can just be worn on their own, really. But yeah, so just keep that in mind, that these straps aren't always the most versatile underneath things, because I'm the type of person that I love to wear my lingerie and I love to match it to my outfits, and you know, I wear it every day just for myself. But if you're like, yeah, so when I wear it every day, I do think about like the straps and how it's going to show underneath things, because I want to show it underneath things, but also I want to look good with it underneath things, if that makes sense. But these pants are absolutely stunning. Like, look at the back of them. Like, they've got like a little peephole, and I just love the lace. So these are gorgeous. And I do love that they're very adjustable, like the straps. So, you know, I can put them on their loosest, but it's just because I am just soft around the edges. Obviously, tiny little spaghetti straps like this are boom, but they're absolutely gorgeous. And then the bra is amazing. So it looks like this. So it's kind of like, it's just all lace, and it's just got nice underwiring to it, so it's got a really nice shape to it. But it looks like that, and the back of it, look at the kind of straps on that. I love how it's got a different clasp, and it's almost like a cage back. Like, it's really, really stunning and so comfortable. Like, that's one thing I need to mention about this brand, is that all of their pieces, incredibly comfortable to wear. Like, the fabrics they use and how they put them together, it's just so seamless, and nothing is digging in and nothing is uncomfortable. It's just like heaven. Like, they really, really fit nice. So I do really recommend them. So that's the bra. Just look at the lace on it. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, isn't it just gorgeous? I really, really, really love it. And then we've got, which one to show you next? We've got two more sets to go through. I'll show you the completely mesh one. Now, this one is so gorgeous. I fell in love with the color of it. So this is a 3-piece set, although I did have a bit of issues with my garter belt, so I'll get onto that at the end. But the actual bra and panty set is gorgeous. Which way is the right way around? When it's completely mesh, you just don't know these things. So this is the color, so it's kind of like a nude mesh with a brown outline. Now, this is just so feminine and just so like gorgeous, and the satin is so soft on these straps, and this is like a stretch mesh, so it's really, really comfortable, and it's got the same kind of design back as the red one you just saw. So it's almost like a cage with like gold detailing. Like, it's so minimal but just gorgeous and very adjustable, which we like. So that's the bra, just like that. I think it's so cute, and I have nothing like this. Like, I really like the color scheme of it. It goes underneath things perfectly. And then the pants just match, very minimal, but they do have a little bit of detailing on the side. So you can see here, they're just like stretchy mesh, and then they've got like a strap detailing on one side of the hip here. So these are very practical, the color scheme as well, like this is a set that I can feel amazing in, but also wear underneath everything. So it's very practical like that. And then the last set, I'm obsessed with this piece, is one of those pieces that I got because I really wanted to jazz up kind of my outfits. So I want people to see like the top of this. So let me try and explain this to you. So it's got like underwire in like a leather kind of thing, so it's almost like an underbust piece, and then it has this just completely fishnet mesh that goes over the top, and it's almost like a kind of like a little crop top, I would say. But when I wear it underneath things, for example, like if I wore it underneath this top, you would see the like fishnet up to here, and it kind of just jazzes up a tank top or a dress. Like I can wear it under loads of things and it looks like it's part of the outfit, and that's kind of, I really liked that aspect. And I love the underbust bit, like I just think that's so nice, and you can wear it over the fishnet like that, so it like pushes it in, or you can wear the kind of fishnet over the top of it. So it's quite a versatile piece and a very, you know, a different style. It's not very like, it's not super like feminine or girly, but it's still like really sexy. So I really like this one, and I love that it's got the leather detailing. Like I really like the fact it's leather and fishnet. You guys know I love my faux leather stuff. And then the pants are just 10 out of 10 my style. They're great. So they're, again, just the same fabric types. They have adjustable backs to them, so you can see the straps here are adjustable to try and make sure that they're versatile within each of the size brackets, which I love. And then it's just, I just went for the simple kind of thong, and they've got like just fishnet detailing and like leather at the front, and then it's just simple fishnet at the back. So they're just really kind of, like they're very practical, but extremely extra, and I'm just 100% here for that. So I did just want to mention one issue I had with this brand. So overall the stuff is really amazing, very high quality. I'm very impressed with it all, but I did get the matching garter belts to 2 of the sets, just because, you know, sometimes I like to jazz it up a little bit, and I encountered a bit of an issue with sizing. Now I did get this pink one in extra small because I wanted to wear this one around my waist, and then I got the lovely mesh one in a small because I wanted to wear it a bit lower down. Now, I read their sizes and everything like that, and they should not vary as much as they do. So let me do them up for you guys. So this is them done up. So actually, maybe I should undo. I'm trying to think how to show you these. So we'll do a size comparison of these 2 belts. So there's meant to be one size between them, but the one size is not meant to be this drastic. So if I put them next to each other, I have a feeling the extra small piece, they missed a panel out. So this is them next to each other. You can see the clasp down here and then the clasp up here. So these vary by about, I don't know how many inches this is. So this brown one is this much bigger than this red one. So you can see that's about 20 centimeters. Now that shouldn't be the variation between one size. So I have a feeling the red one is missing some fabric, and that might just be the issue. But you know what I'm like, I'm going to alter them so they fit because I'm, you know, still in love with them. But just keep that in mind, that when you are ordering these, really check the size guide of each individual set. I checked the size guide for like the whole of all of their underwear and just was like, okay, I'll do one set of measurements and just order. Maybe check the individual size guides per set just to ensure it's going to be a really perfect fit, because the quality of these pieces is stunning. So, you know, it's going to be bespoke. It's probably gonna, I think they're all handmade as well. They're like handmade to order. So if you get your sizes right, you're gonna be winning. So just keep that in mind. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe if you did, and I'll be back with more soon. Thanks for watching.